Here's a 2018 GMC Yukon. Not only does the stylish exterior design awash you in confidence, the capabilities will too. 3 rows of seating and cargo room galore challenge you to fill it up. The V8 engine comes in to conquer all demands. Wi-Fi hotspot and color touchscreen media display are ready to respond to your needs. Plus, the front and rear parking assist, rear vision camera, and remote vehicle start will make coming and going a breeze. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability. Come get it in this Yukon. It's a 2018 GMC Yukon. Capability has a way of smoothing things out, and this Yukon has the smooth ride to complement its capability. While you're behind the wheel of the V8 engine, you'll love the color touchscreen media display and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, the front and rear parking assist and rear vision camera, and most of all, the ability to accommodate everyone and their cargo. It also comes with tri-zone climate control and remote vehicle start for everyone's comfort. When more is needed, the Yukon is up to the task. Make this one yours today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.